This is how you remove a 2012 Fluence, Renault Fluence light bulb. As you can see here, the whole headlight has to come out. This bolt here. You need a hex bit here, and this bolt here. There's a small little bolt right here, and there's another bolt same size here. So take out those two bolts. Those are the two larger bolts. And so once all the bolts are out, give it a shake, and the whole headlight should come out now. Change the light bulb. This can stay like that. It's a little plastic cover that goes just around here. Pop that cover off, and there's these metal latches. Let's see if we get a picture of this, get a video of this now. See, there's these metal latches here that go around the light bulb for you to push them down and around, and they should come off on both sides. You have to do them both individually. The light bulb sits in there, and that should come out like that. So here we have a new bulb. You can see here the filament is 100%. And in the past one here, you can see that it's kind of grated there. It's worn out basically, it doesn't work anymore. And for these Fluences, right, there's a little notch, little tab here in the top. This has to go in first. Good. So the top, that notch faces upwards, up towards you. And this is where these little metal tabs I was talking about go back on. I'm doing this with one hand, so as you can see, maybe just like that. This plug goes right back on. I'm watching this through the phone camera, so there you go, just like that. And that's it. I'll pop this cover back on. Nice and firm, so no water or any moisture gets in there, wrecks all your stuff. And that light should just pop right back in. You gotta want to bring her over to its side here. Give me a second, I used two hands to get this. All you had to do was shift it like over to the left hand side, so fill this gap here and push her back in. These bolts, as you can see here, go right back in. You can either use a ratchet for the outside, or you can use the hex to go on the inside. So they need to be tightened up on that end there, this end here. You don't have to stick the Loctite back on, but if you want to, that's something you could do. And then again, as I was saying, there's this much smaller screw here, hex actually only. So you can, I recommend getting a hex kit like this. They're available on the website ckpelectronics.com. Sorry, ckpelectronics.com. They're available. So that's how you do it, and it's quite easy.